In this video, we're making these delicious fudgy brownies. These are all the ingredients you're going to need to make them, so let's get started. First, you're going to grease and line an 8 by 8 inch pan and set that aside. Now to your butter, you're going to add the cocoa powder and mix it in. I'm using a hand mixer, but you can also use a whisk. Then add in the sugar and you're going to again beat that in until it's mixed in. Then add in the eggs one at a time and beat those in as well. Then mix in the vanilla extract. Now finally, you're going to add in the flour and just fold it in gently using your whisk. Make sure not to overmix it. And your batter is going to be smooth and ready. You can also add some chocolate chips if you want to. And then you're going to pour this in your prepared pan and smooth it out evenly. And then bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 22 to 25 minutes. Make sure not to over bake it because you want them to be nice and fudgy. Unless you prefer cakey brownies. And then let these cool for about an hour. And then run a knife at the edges and take it out of the pan. And then slice them into as big or as small pieces as you want to. And then you can dig in and enjoy. These brownies are so delightful and decadent, and they are perfect for the festive season or any time of the year, honestly. This is such an easy one bowl recipe, and I highly recommend you try it out yourself. I also packed some of these for my loved ones and they really enjoyed them. Subscribe for more delicious recipes and I will see you soon in a new one. Bye!